Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be opening up these obsidian flames thing and two of the trick or trade booster pack cards, whatever. And we have our special guest,
Pikachu.
Thick Pikachu.
Well, his name's Pikachu, but Marco's Thick.
Okay, so what should we open first then, Juliana? Should we open with this or this?
Those ones.
Okay, let's open these. Okay. Oh my gosh. Have you guys got any of the new Trick or Trade Pokemon card packs? Okay, I'm almost done opening it.
Yep, I'll be back.
Okay, we got this. Then we got these two guys, the Charizard, and then the flames. Then we got a code, which you don't really need. Yeah, there's a code if you want it. Then we got a Houndstone, which is pretty cool. I like the background. But before we get into it, I'm going to open one of these guys, because you can't really get anything rare. I mean, there's a free holo, but like, that's it. Okay, we got Duskull, Houndoom, and Graveyard. Graveyard. We're just gonna open up these mini packs because they're not really that big. So before we get into the juicy stuff.
Wait, I said those ones last.
Yeah, but I just thought that
Marco.
Sorry. Anyways.
That was if you get a lucky one.
Driftbloom and
lucky one.
Mimikyu. Nice.
Marcos, can you give me the bag?
The bag?
Yeah.
Trash? Yeah.
No, one.
Oh.
And he's on the front. Mimikyu.
Okay. So let me just put all my holos on one side. And then, yeah. Okay. Which one should we open up first?
The middle.
Okay, we're gonna open up this one first. Hopefully it's something lucky. Okay. So the first code's Young Goose. Here's another code if you want it. Okay, we got Young Goose, Charmander, Dratini, Oddish, Bronzong, Eartick, Charmeleon, Finizen, and then after this is the... Oh, no. Finizen, Toga Tomorrow, and... a Togekiss, holo. I know I thought it was gonna be something rarer, but then the energy.
My energy.
Yeah, she likes energies for some reason. I don't know why.
Wow, Marco. Well, Marco, you can't just use them.
I know, but like you don't really use them a lot. Like nobody really uses them.
I know.
Okay, so now I'm gonna open up Dragonite.
Wait. Yeah, and then the other one.
Charizard, and hopefully we get the rare Charizard EX. I just dropped all of the cards on the floor.